Welcome to another tutorial on Educadoo, your all-in-one ERP solution for streamlined school management. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the hassle-free process of entering exam marks, offering flexibility whether you're a class in charge or a subject teacher. Educadoo provides multiple options for entering exam marks, ensuring flexibility for educators. Whether you're at the office, at home, or even on the go, you can easily log into Educadoo through your laptop or mobile application. Entering mark through your laptop method. Begin by logging into Educadoo through the web. Your personalized dashboard awaits with a seamless user experience tailored for educators. Navigate to exams. If you are in charge of a class, all exams for that class are displayed. If you are a subject teacher, exams for your assigned subjects will be visible. Click on the particular exam for which you need to enter marks. Now, click on the Enter Edit Mark button. A new page will appear with all students listed. Click Edit to enter marks. Pressing Enter or Tab key will activate the next student for entering the mark. Toggle through options for absentees like absent, medical leave inclusive, etc. using Ctrl+X. Save your entries after entering marks and set the exam to the done state after verifying all mark entries. Please ensure accuracy and recheck marks before finalizing. Note that the done state can only be reverted to the draft state by an admin with proper permissions. Now, we're exploring the convenience of entering exam marks using the Educadoo mobile application. Start by logging into your Educadoo mobile application using your registered mobile number and the OTP provided for secure access. Find the menu button on the top left and activate the sidebar. Locate exams in the menu and then select exam list. Choose the class, section, term, and exam session as per your requirements. The app will display all exams under the selected category. If the exam status is new, click on the Schedule button to activate mark entry. Click on the specific exam to view details and the list of attendees. Against each attendee, you'll find two fields, mark and status. All status fields are pre-filled with present upon creation. Edit the mark and status for each attendee accurately. Click on the Update button to save your edits. If you revisit the page, it will be pre-filled with previously entered marks and statuses for your convenience. Press the Back button to return to the exam list. If you've verified all marks and statuses, click Mark Done to lock the exam and notify the admin about the status of mark entry. There you have it. Effortlessly enter exam marks through the Educadoo mobile app, ensuring a seamless and efficient process for educators.